Hello little yogis! We're going to have so much fun! Do this yoga session with your best friend. It'll be fun, so take a deep breath and roll out your mat. Let's get started. Fold your body gently toward the floor. Stretch your arms forward, and allow your breathing to become slower, deeper, and calmer as every stressful thought begins to fade away. Lie down comfortably with your legs resting against the wall and stay still for a few quiet moments, while your body releases tension and your mind slowly begins to relax. Close your eyes, relax every muscle in your body, and let yourself rest completely while your breathing becomes soft, steady, and peaceful. Move your spine slowly with each inhale and exhale, and allow the tension stored in your neck, shoulders, and back to gently loosen. Stretch your legs forward, fold slowly from your hips, and breathe deeply as your body softens and your racing thoughts become quieter. Let your upper body hang naturally toward the floor and feel your mind become lighter as pressure and mental exhaustion slowly melt away. Sit comfortably with your spine straight. Rest your hands softly on your knees, and focus only on the calm rhythm of your breathing. Lift your hips slowly toward the ceiling, open your chest and breathe deeply while releasing stress trapped inside your body. Twist your body gently from side to side and let the emotional tension hidden deep inside your muscles finally begin to release. Stand firmly with both feet grounded, relax your shoulders, and focus your full attention on staying calm, steady, and present. Balance your body carefully on one leg and train your mind to stay focused, peaceful, and stable without distraction. Hold your feet gently, relax your hips and lower back, and allow your body to feel light, open, and completely tension-free. Bring the soles of your feet together, sit tall and breathe slowly while releasing the heaviness created by stress and overthinking. Stretch your entire body deeply, press your hands firmly into the floor, and clear the mental fog clouding your thoughts. Lift your chest upward, open your heart fully, and take slow deep breaths to release emotional pressure and anxiety. Breathe slowly through one nostril at a time and allow your nervous system to calm down while your thoughts become balanced and clear. Create a soft humming sound as you exhale and feel the vibration naturally quiet the noise and stress inside your mind. Stretch your spine, relax your shoulders, and let your mind feel soft, calm, and open again. Stretch up to the sky, then gently bend behind. Camel pose wakes your body and calms your mind. Support your body in a half bow pose. Hold your foot and relax your muscles. Remember to breathe. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye!